In this recording, I'm going to show you how to use surround and subtract to find the area of a polygon. You might want to take just a second to copy this polygon onto your own graph paper or dot paper so that you can do this along with me for good practice. When you're done, you might want to try drawing your own figure and using surround and subtract to find the area. So to get started, I'm going to surround this polygon with a rectangle. And here I go. I'll make my rectangle red. There we go. And now I need to know the area of that red rectangle I just created, so I need to know the base length and the height. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The base is 6. And the height is 1, 2, 3. 3 times 6 equals 18, and so the area of that red rectangle is 18 units squared. Now I've got to take away all of the outside parts, and there are 3. I'm going to number them for you. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to start with number 3 because it's so easy. So I'm looking at number 3 and I see that number 3 is a rectangle already, which is wonderful. And I can see that the area of this rectangle is 2 because it has a height of 1 and a base of 2, and 1 times 2 equals 2. Now I'm going to do this triangle that I numbered with a 1, and to do that I'm going to block it with a rectangle. And I see that the rectangle I blocked it with has a base of 1 and a height of 2, so its area is 2. But I need half of 2 for the triangle, and half of 2 is 1, so triangle number 1 has an area of 1. Now this part number 2, with the red number 2, is a little different because I could break it into a triangle and some rectangles. So I'm looking for a triangle, and I see one right here. And that creates one triangle and one rectangle. The rectangle has an area of 1, 2, 3, 4. And the triangle is half of a rectangle, and the rectangle that I'm looking at is right here. I'm going to block that in twice so you can see what I'm looking at. And it has a height of 2 and a base of 3, and 2 times 3 equals 6, and half of 6 is 3. I'm going to change the color on that so that it's black, so that I can be consistent with the numbers that I use to record the outside parts. So now I have 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 for my outside parts, and I have to add that together. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have to subtract it from the 18 that I started with, and that's going to give me 8 units squared. And I'm done. I have the area of that blue polygon, and it is 8 units squared.